Ever wonder why your hair seems to have a mind of its own on those humid days? You're not alone. Frizzy hair can be a real struggle, but what if I told you that you can finally tame those wild strands with some simple yet expert-approved tips? Stay tuned because we're about to dive into how you can say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, silky hair. Trust me, you don't want to miss these game-changing tips. Hydrate your hair from within. Frizz happens when dry hair seeks moisture from the air, causing the cuticles to open up and create that frizzy look. The first and most important step is hydration. Drink plenty of water daily and include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and flax seeds, to nourish your hair from the inside out. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Always go for sulfate-free shampoos. Sulfates strip your hair of its natural oils, making it more prone to frizz. Use conditioners with ingredients like glycerin or shea butter, which help lock in moisture and smooth the hair cuticle. Don't skip the hair mask. Hair masks aren't just for luxury days. They should be part of your weekly routine. Look for hydrating masks containing avocado, coconut oil, or honey. Apply it at least once a week to keep your hair moisturized and frizz-free. The power of microfiber towels. Did you know that traditional towels can cause frizz due to their rough texture? Switch to a microfiber towel or an old cotton t-shirt to gently dry your hair. This helps reduce friction and keeps your hair smoother. Serums and leave-in conditioners. For instant frizz control, use a serum or leave-in conditioner. Products with silicone can create a protective barrier on your hair to keep moisture out and maintain sleekness. Remember, a little goes a long way. Just a few drops can make a huge difference. Heat protection is a must. If you love using heat tools like straighteners or curling irons, always use a heat protectant spray. Heat damages the outer layer of your hair, leading to breakage and more frizz. Protect your hair before styling to keep it looking smooth and healthy. Cold rinse to seal the deal. When washing your hair, finish with a cold water rinse. This helps seal the hair cuticle and lock in moisture, giving you a shinier, frizz-free finish. Who knew that such simple changes could make such a big difference? With these expert tips, you can keep your hair smooth, shiny, and frizz-free, no matter the weather. Ready to try these tips and see the magic happen? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert hair care tips. Your journey to frizz-free hair starts today. See you in the next video.